Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lower a Toyota Tundra. First, understand that lowering your truck can significantly enhance its appearance and improve handling dynamics. We will explore popular methods like using drop shackles for the rear, installing lowering springs for the front, or opting for a comprehensive coilover kit. Remember to consider how these modifications might affect your truck's ride comfort and its ability to tow heavy loads. Let's dive into the key methods for lowering your Tundra. Drop shackles are a straightforward and cost-effective way to lower the rear by about 1 to 2 inches. For the front, lowering springs can reduce the ride height by 2 to 3 inches, offering a more aggressive stance. If you seek maximum adjustability and improved performance, a complete coilover kit for both the front and rear is an excellent choice, providing precise control over your truck's height and damping. When you're ready to install, ensure you have the right tools, including a sturdy floor jack, reliable jack stands, and a precise torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always secure your Tundra on a level surface before lifting it. After completing the suspension modifications, a professional wheel alignment is absolutely critical. This step ensures proper steering, prevents premature tire wear, and maintains your truck's handling characteristics. Lowering your Toyota Tundra offers several compelling benefits. You'll immediately notice a sportier, more aggressive stance and a significantly improved visual appeal. Beyond aesthetics, a lowered truck often provides enhanced cornering stability and reduced body roll, making for a more engaging driving experience. Furthermore, a lower center of gravity can contribute to slightly better aerodynamic efficiency. Consider these advantages as you plan your Tundra's transformation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.